Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily download the call history on your Suzuki. So I'm on Suzuki Evitero right now and I'll show you how to do this. First, we want to go over into the settings, and in the settings, we want to select the network. Now, we want to select Bluetooth, and from here at the bottom, we got the phone option. Now remember, to download the call history, you have to have at least like 1, 2, 3 calls that you can download. So I've never used the call system on this card before. So if I press the download call history, it will say that it's unable to download it. As you guys can see, unable to download your call history. But if you call somebody, then you can easily download it all and you'll see it. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.